Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. And today's topic again, we're continuing with series. Yesterday we started with alphabet sequence, also known as letter sequence. And today we are going to the next type known as letter pattern or alphabet pattern. Here there is something called you have a repetition of the given letters, and you're supposed to find out what is supposed to be filling. So you have some missing spaces. You're supposed to find out or recognize the pattern and fill in those spaces. Okay. So let's go through the examples so you will understand what is supposed to be done where and how. So considering this example here, you are given A, then there is a space for one letter, B space for another letter, A space for the last letter. So the spaces for or the missing letters will be denoted by dots or by dashes or maybe by underscore, one of these. Okay. So what happens here is it will take a really long time for you all to sit and break your head and guess the pattern or figure the pattern out. So what rather we can suggest you is to analyze the options. So take the options. So you just have four or maximum five kinds. You can just take those five types, put them in the same order and see if you are able to form any pattern or not. If you're able to form a pattern, well and good. If you're not able to form a pattern, realize that it is not the pattern or that does not belong. It doesn't fit in. And remember always the letters given in the options should follow the same order. You cannot change the order of the letters as in how you like. So as they appear in the this one in the choices, the same way the respective letters will go to the respective spaces or respective blanks. So yeah, let's start with the first one. Okay, what is given? Triple A dash B dash A dash. So let's start with the first one. So if we are putting, we have A. What is given? The first letter B. All right. And what is given after that as per the question? B. So this was the first space that we filled. Then we are given with the next dash given is A. So this is the second one that we filled. A is already given in the question after that. And the last space is filled by A again. So is there a pattern that is being formed after using it?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, do you agree that there is a pattern that is being formed? Triple A, double B, triple A. That is a
Yes,
pattern.
ma'am.
Right. Okay. So what if in case this was not the answer? You're supposed to go for option 2 and start working on it. So let's try with option 2. You have A, and you're given A. All right. B is part of the question. You're given B again. Again, A is part of the question. You're given A again. So you've filled A, B. Oh, sorry, you've given B from the choices. B. So did you notice that the pattern is not following? There were four A's, two B's, which means again you should have had four A's. But instead it turned out to be AB. It didn't continue that way. Yeah,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
right. So if you had to try with the next option, BAB, so you have A, and you have B. Okay, B is given again in the question. You are given A. A is in the question, and then you're given B. Yes, it almost came up, but the last part broke the pattern again. Did you notice the pattern here doesn't match? It doesn't fit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the fourth option, AAB. So you have triple A. The first space is given as A. You have B. The next space given is A. You have A. And the last space they've given B. Again, this does not follow the pattern. And the fifth option, B. So it is very evident. You can just try fitting in. You will realize that it does not fit in. If you put A, B, Okay, there is triple A, triple B. Then there is AB that comes. So again, this does not follow the pattern. So the correct answer is option A, BAA. All right? Fine with
Yes,
everybody?
ma'am.
Hope
Yes,
nobody.
ma'am.
Okay. So fine. We'll move to the next question. And yeah, what do we have? PQR. Okay, not PQRS. Okay, you have P space RS. Okay, P space RS space R. Okay. Space R, Q, P, space Q, R, space SR, space P. Okay. There's a little lengthier one, but let's still give it a try. So let's start fitting the options. Let's see which one works. So you have P in the, let's take the first option, option A. So you're given P, you fit in S, then you have R, you have S. The next space you're done with S, so the next space has to be filled with P. Okay, then you have RQP. So RQP. After that you have space, so you're supposed to fit in S. RQPS. Okay, Q R. The next option you're supposed to fit in Q. Q R Q S R. Again you're supposed to fit Q, and at the end you have P. So do we have any pattern? PSRS, PRQ, PSQR, QSR, QP. No, there is no pattern if you clearly notice. Right. So moving to the next option then. You're left with option B. So you have P, you put Q, you fill with RS, then you put in S, then you have RQP. All right. R.
Ma'am, I think this option will fit in.
Let's
Actually.
see. Let's try it here itself. You have Q, S, P, S, Q. So we have PQRS, SRQP, PQRS, SRQP. You guys found the pattern? There is a
Yes,
pattern
ma'am.
that occurs. So
Yes,
option
ma'am.
B is your correct answer.
Yes,
Fine?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, moving to the next one. Yeah, you have A space CDB space DAC space ABDA space C. Okay, so let's try with option A. So you have B, A, C, and A. So A, B, C, D, B, A, D, A, C, C, A, B, D, A, A, C. So if you notice, there is no pattern that is formed. So this option cannot work. What do you do? Go to the next option. So what do you have? You have B, C, D, and B. So A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, C, D, A, B, D, A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Okay, B, C, D, A, C, D, A, B, and D, A, B, C. I hope you're able to recognize there is actually a pattern that is formed. Okay, you're not able to find. So A, B, C, D. Okay, split it here. After that, which was the second
Yes, ma'am.
letter? Second letter comes first. B, C, D, A. Split it. Then you
Then
have the
third
second
letter.
letter C. Right. So C, D, A, B. And which is the next letter here? D. D, A, B, C. So this is one thing you can consider, but let's try other options. If there is any other option that can best fit, you're supposed to consider that. Okay, so you have third option as D, E, C, B. Let's try this. A, D, C, B, B, A, D, C, 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 A, B, D, A, B, C. No, this doesn't work. And the last option, D, C, A, B. Okay, we are given D, C, A, and B. So you have A, D, C, B, B, C, D, A, C, A, B, D, A, B, C. No, this option also doesn't work. So our answer is option B. So this option B, B, C, D, B is the correct answer. Fine with all of you? All of you got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so moving to the next one, we have yeah, space MMLL space ML space MMLL space L. Okay, let's just try fitting these in. The first option, so you have L, M, L, and M. So L, MM, LL, MM. Okay, L, MM, LL, MM, LL, MM, LL, MM, L. Okay, so it starts with an L, ends with an L. Every other time there is two N's and two L's alternating, right? So this technically is supposed to be a correct answer. You can try it with other options as well. They will not fit in correctly. All of you are done? No doubts in this one?
What else, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this I think is probably the last example for today. Yeah, this is the last example. Okay, so let's try this one. You have AB double space ABB space AB space A. Okay, so what is the first option? You have A, B, okay, and you have B and B. So A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, 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 A, B, B, A. No, this doesn't work.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I think it's options.
Okay, let's give it a try. Might be. Let's give it a try. Yeah. So option B. What do we have? A,
Option C, ma'am. Okay,
A,
you're going
B.
sequentially.
Yes, A, B,
Okay.
A, A. Let's give it a try with all the options till we reach the correct answer. So let's see what happens. You have A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A, A. No, this again doesn't fit. Okay, so let's move to option C. You have B, A and B to be filled. So you have A, B, B, A, A. Okay, A, B, B, 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 A. I hope you're getting this pattern. A, B, B, A,
Yes,
B,
ma'am.
B,
3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
Right. So the option or the correct answer is option C, B, A, B. Fine. Okay, so you guys have any doubts till here, either
No,
be
ma'am.
it analogy or series, whatever we have done yesterday and today? Letter series. We
No,
have
ma'am.
done letter series. Okay, so in this case, we are completing the topic of letter series. Next session, we'll be moving on with number series. So number series has a
Yes.
little more to deal with, more types and little more complicated. So that's all right. We will figure it out in the next class. But yeah, so your weekly test will be based on analogy and series. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for joining today's session. And